guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to check out a Smashbox order that I ordered because they were having 50% off all their kits or sets. He's trying to get up here. Yeah, you can say hi for a second. You can say hi for a second and then we're going to have to find something for you to do for a little bit. Say hi, this is Samson. He's having one of his mom can't leave me alone for 5 minutes days. Yeah, Mom can't leave me alone for 5 minutes days. And I love him to death. But, yeah, he's having one of those days. Does your dog have those days? Is it just mine? Let me know. The other question is, does anybody else turn on Animal Planet for their dog? Is that just me? I doubt it. I'm sure I'm not the only one who has TV shows for their dog. Makes him happy. What's in my Smashbox box? I did open it. I like to check and make sure the order is correct, especially this one because it's kind of a weird deal. We had some problems with it. So the first thing I ordered was their summer glow kit, and this kit I think is supposed to retail 80 bucks or something, 90 bucks, I don't know. And it's funny because they say they're having a half off sale. It's more like a 30% off sale because they never have it full price. It's still a great deal though. So this was $46 for these three things and they're all full size. So you got the full size Radiant Smashbox primer, and this will be going in a giveaway. It is a heck of a deal because that alone is 36 bucks. Then I got their Smashbox and Katie Holmes Spotlight palette. I've heard amazing things about it. And then we have O Gloss. I'm really curious about this. I like a nice lip gloss, especially for summer when you're not like wearing makeup all the time. I also got their All Summer Long Lip and Eye Set, which has Goldie Fox Trio. I love these trios. I own like a ton of them, so this was kind of a no-brainer for me. And this one looks beautiful. So this is their Always On Lipstick and Base Alert. And that's a really nice base shade. I think I'm really going to like this color. A full exposure. This is a full size, and then one of their Always On eye pencils in fishnet. I love their Always On eye gels. They are amazing. They stay in your waterline perfectly. A couple looks that you can do with it. Beach Chick and, oh, they're both the same ones, just in French. And then they give you samples. I got lots of samples from them. So I picked a red sample size lipstick because without fail, never have a red lipstick. And then there's two primers here, and these will both go in a giveaway as well. I like their primer a lot, but I have a specific primer that I use that works really, really well for me, and it keeps my makeup on perfectly. And I don't mind using like the trial sizes, but I'm not going to open a full size primer knowing odds are I'm not going to use it. Let's check these out and see how they perform. First I'm going to swatch this. It does swatch just like I would expect them to from Smashbox. So there's those three. The base shade is Custard, the top shade is Borrowed Bling, and the bottom shade is Cha-Ching. Let's check out this highlight palette. Super excited about this. I don't own any of their Spotlight palettes, which is just so weird. I'm hoping you can see these. So that pale shade is very, very gold. And these are all perfect for me. Like every one of those I can totally wear. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna use this and probably something else to create a look real quick. I will use the shades out of here though. Ooh, tons of kick up. Now, I don't mind tons of kick up sometimes. Usually that's an indication that the shadow is just super, super pigmented and is gonna blend real nicely. That's exactly what it did. I have a ton of these trios. As you can see, I have more. I consider these like a palette almost. I'm going to use Snap Queen because it has two mattes in here that are kind of purpley to go with those glitters. And I'm just going to start building up. Okay, so now I'm just going to go into Goldie Fox palette and use those glitters on my lid. I'm just going to take the darker one and sort of do the outer corner of the lid and then bring the lighter one in some more. Now I'm going to take that lightest color and pull that across the rest of my lid. These glitters are, or shimmers are really odd. The darker shimmer in here looks super glittery in the pan, but when you get it on your lid, it's really not all that glittery, which is weird. The thing I love about Smashbox is I can usually really build up their shimmers to like a full-on foil effect. One dark one though doesn't really do that. So then I'm just going to take the lightest shade out of this and put that on my inner corner. And then I'm just going to blend. Now that I know this, I'm just going to take that darkest shade and bring that around my outer corner. So now I'm going to take that lightest shade, that shade, glitter shade. I'm just going to blend those together a little bit. It's a really pretty look. This is a very intense look. The look that they had on their card was much less intense. Why would I do that? I don't know. I like it so far. I'm just going to put on my eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And we'll do some highlight. I have my eyeliner and mascara on now. I just wanted to take a minute and really do those. Let's play with this highlighter because they're gorgeous. I'm gonna take a Wing Gloss brush. So one swipe in the pan and it's already gorgeous and it builds up beautifully. I'm not sure that I want to go any brighter than that right now. Those are gorgeous. And I'm loving the eyeshadow. The thing about Smashbox is that I swear happens, like you put it on and at first you're not quite sure, but if you give it a couple seconds to sort of settle in, it looks gorgeous. It's my favorite eyeshadow formula usually. They do have some duds out there. In these trios, I haven't found any that I don't adore. I'm gonna use some setting spray, really brighten up my inner corners. Okay, I'm gonna try something that I saw where I like run just a little line of it across the top of my brows. It just sort of makes the brow line look more defined. As usual, I was kind of figuring I was gonna love this stuff. Oh, I forgot my lipstick. The lipstick is an interesting color. I'm not entirely sold on it yet, but that could just be because I'm not used to the shade. I'm not sure that this lipstick matches my blush perfectly, and it's really kind of throwing me off today. I'm gonna have to go find a blush that I think works better with it. I love this trio. I think that the look that I did with it is gorgeous. It's neutral, but very dramatic neutral. It would have been less dramatic had I not went into the other palette little trio. Girl, if I can't do dramatic, what the hell? Why am I even here? I always love Smashbox mascaras, and I always in love with their highlighters. I'm not sure how I didn't own this already. It is gorgeous, and it is a heck of a deal right now if you can find it. You know, I can keep eye palettes looking gorgeous forever. My lipsticks look like shit within 2 seconds. No idea why. These lipsticks are gorgeous. This is a very like nudie pink color, and it is perfect for a day at the beach. Yeah, that was what I got from Smashbox today, and I thought I would share it with you. I know that they still have that sale going on today. Hopefully it'll still be going on when I get this video up. Let me know what you thought, and if you've tried any of these products and what you think. This deal with this trio and the full-sized mascara and eyeliner and lipstick is a steal of a deal. Like, if you're at all into these, I think that the price of the kit is actually the price for just this. It's absolutely worth doing. For me though, it was really the trio that got me because like I said, I love these. I also own their glitter ones. I wouldn't keep buying them if I didn't genuinely love them. And as always, I spend all my own money here. I don't have any sponsorships of any kind, so you're always getting my view on what I spent my hard-earned money on. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!